Well, welcome back, fellas. So today is February 2, and I'm drawing my wife Rem. Don't go on my translation and pronunciation. I don't know how to pronounce her name right. Whenever I try, it came out Ram, and fuck myself if I say Ram. I mean it Ram. Okay. So I'm drawing her in a kimono. The thing is actually I draw her more than I need to. Yeah, when I said more than I need to, I really said more than I need to. I drew two detailed artworks and some chubby stuff. And the second one is also a high detail, but this one is really high detail. Let me show you what I did when I said I draw her more than I need to. Not because I have to, because I wanted to, because my heart won't stop. I think I couldn't resist myself for her. My love for her is forever. Let's see. As you can see here you go. Another one, and here you go. Another one, me and her. And here I'm going to color these all, not in this video but off camera. Well, see, I couldn't resist my love for her. Without wasting any time, let's take this stuff aside and jump into
Starting
the
with the
video.
skin tone, soft, warm, gentle, just like the way she makes my heart feel. Every layer here, slow care, because even a smallest detail matter when you're drawing someone you love.
Ghostly figures that can get so bitter. Sure you want to until you can turn back. You don't know where I've been. What's going on inside? Where the monsters like to come alive, come alive. Do
Well, now her
you
hair,
really
that's
wanna
beautiful
know?
blue, the color that always pull me in. Damn it! No matter how many times I color it, it never feels enough. Always want to look just a little more perfect for my Ram, my love.
On the verge, anyone can love a pretty little mansion. But could you love her? A haunted, haunted house. Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're just
Well, this is my favorite part, the kimono. Every pattern, every color choice is filled with respect, elegance, and affection. I want her to look graceful, beautiful, like someone you'll fall in love with again and again. Which I always feel that sudden ache in my chest whenever I saw her.
You know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd, dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion. But could you love her? A haunted, haunted house. Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you'll just take it out. A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house.
For the background, I keep it calm and balanced so she could stand out like she always does in my world. Nothing too loud, just enough for frame her beauty. Work is done. Before that, have that cake cutting clip.
Guys, happy birthday Rim, happy birthday to you. मैं ही बजा रही हैप्पी बर्थडे बुझ गई हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे रियम सिस्टर इन लॉ भाभी जी मैं अपने हस्बैंड को ठूस लो पहले मैं चलो.
And yes, as I said, I didn't stop just at one drawing. I made stickers, small artworks, and extra pieces because when it's her birthday, one artwork is never enough for me. As I promised, I'll show you the stickers. For now, see this, and this kimono is really hard. My friend, I know someone who draw this kind of drawing. I respect her now. As for the stickers, as you can see, this one, she's angry. This one, a Pookie Kitty one. I like to bite her ear every day. And this one, you can see it. You already saw it. We place it on a cake. And this one too. Damn, she's beautiful, and her hair's glossy. And this one is the first sticker of her I had. And I have something more. Let me show you. A artwork of me and her. A original official art illustration from my manga. And yeah, I like that reference, so I printed out a little card poster. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be tomorrow of the second part of this drawing.